Giant Lanterns. Ball is up and we are underway.
Kaya Paeng Are at si Jeff Viernes eh. Oo eh. Parang ito yung future eh.
Oh, Baltazar opens. Wala. Baltazar, the kick out to Archie.
Yeah, to his left.
Concepcion with a runner.
Unlimited to...
Go to Justin Baltazar against Jason Ballesteros. The kick out. Viernes, yes!
He will not miss 3 in a row.
Of complacency. Now with what happened, complacency is out of the equation and no more surprises. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much. But Chino Mosqueda finally gets Quezon City on the board. Egilos, the one-hander is good.
See how easy yung level of difficulty.
They will get whatever they want.
Oh.
Are.
There you go.
Josan Nimes. Ibayan providing the pick. Bounce pass.
Good pass.
And libre si Abdul Sawat.
Oh.
Miggy. Lumapit si Cortesa. The one-hander won't work. Baltazar puts it in for 2.
It's too long. Too long.
Minute remaining in the first quarter. Rayson, umatake. Rayson with a dipsy-do.
Now when he has that vast, ni Kurt Rayson at ni Lawrence Victoria, yung skill sets nila.
Ballers eh.
Ballers, exactly.
Santos! Nice shot there from Ronan Santos. Rim protection ni Jason Ballesteros. I don't know where they would be right now if not for Jason Ballesteros protecting. Baltazar with another rebound. Rayson, crossover. Rayson out of control. Able to release to Alcoriza. Layup is in.
Challenging Jason Ballesteros.
Cross-court pass to Gozum. Plenty of time on the shot clock. Garcia. Gozum from the corner. Yes, sir!
Money.
Libre si Alcoriza for 3. Wala.
There's
Gozum
again.
Yes!
And you know, ito yung isang aspect ng game.
Justin Baltazar swings it over to Viernes. Concepcion for 3. Yes, sir!
Great run. Doon sila sa malapit eh.
Tibayan to Roman. Fires a 3.
Finally.
Sumabay pa tayo.
Oo.
They will hold for the last shot here. Tibayan lost the handle. Roman will fire and score.
Can match up as well. So, let's see. Baka mas maging madali sa kanila yung ganitong 5 playing for Pampanga.
Miguel Cortesa with that push shot. Extra possession for QC.
Alam naman natin yung rebounding ability nito ni Paeng Are.
And Chino Mosqueda knocks down the 3. Justin Baltazar.
That's too close for Justin. Si Justin Baltazar for that short corner, Jay.
Mosqueda again, back-to-back 3s. So, wala. Baltazar with another rebound.
Good passing.
From close range, no go, pero si Kevin Santos.
Too long.
Ayan natin yung nangyari dito. Baltazar, short stab, no go, and just too much para kay Jason Ballesteros. Dalawa yung
binaban.
To Are. Mosqueda. Lumapit. Chino Mosqueda with that left-handed layup.
Hindi lang talaga pumapasok. Pero again, believe pa rin ako dito sa mindset nitong Quezon City to the action. Kasi defensively, Sedel, they're just doing...
Recovered by Mosqueda. Roman. Abdul Sawat on the handoff. Nakabuelo. Abdul Sawat puts it in for 2. Abdul Sawat. Yes! 7 points para kay Abdul Sawat.
Great defense by QC.
MJ Garcia. Wala. Baltazar on the putback.
And
Baltazar gives it up to MJ. Concepcion, corner 3. That's good. Tingnan natin dito. This is a corner 3.
Oh, tumama talaga.
Pero kung ako si Abdul Sawad, parang napakahirap naman yun.
Oo. Pero you need...
Bowling.
Oo. And alam naman natin na darating sa Delph.
Yeah, tough finish galing kay Tibayan.
14 points right now.
Mike Are knocks down the jumper.
+2.
And we're nearing the end of the third. Archie Concepcion fires the 3 and will knock it down.
Ang mabigat lang, this is their home court.
Oo. And Abdul Sawat, inatrasan niya talaga ng gusto in that game. Archie Concepcion. And syempre, first half natin dominado ng Giant Lanterns. Alcoriza will get the 2 points.
Yeah, the biggest lead.
The season with back-to-back victories. Mike Are. Yes. Garcia to Alcoriza. Renz.
What a
Layup.
move.
Oh.
Alam mo, yung side ni Jason, no?
Oh, what a move. Galing kay Josa Nimes. Let's watch this play of the game. Brought to you by Buenas. And Josa Nimes with a ball fake and the reverse. Steal by Binuya.
Ooh, what a pass.
Nice pass to Goso for the 2 points.
And this guy off the bench, itong si Martin Goso, Convention Center.
Serrano is down on the floor. Abdul Sawat, yes, but Enzo Serrano. Nakuha ni Raymond Binuya. Binuya. Dire-diretso si Raymond Binuya. This crowd loving it.
This depth, pwede ka magpahinga.
Too casual with the basketball. Viernes knocks down the 3.
Parang ang dali para kay Jeff Viernes, no?
Oh, effortless.
Oh, effortless.
Jonathan Hesalem.
Finally, a 3 points from Hesalem. So that's gonna be it. Still a 19-point lead.
Oh,
For humabol pa rin